Well, we've seen a lot of change in the mid-size pickup market in the U.S. the last 5 or 6 years. Basically, it died off almost completely with only Toyota sticking it out with their Tacoma. And now we saw GM get back in a few years ago with the really well-received Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon twins, and now with the likes of the Tacoma selling almost 200,000 units last year, Ford is ready to get back into the game with their long-standing Ranger nameplate. And now this Ranger has been on sale in other parts of the world, and very successfully, I might add, for these intermittent years. It's ready to come back to the U.S. market in about a year. So this is going to be on sale late this year or early 2019. Built here actually in Michigan, and utilizing the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. We don't have exact power output yet on that, but they say that it'll be very class competitive or leading actually. And it's paired to a 10-speed automatic, so that transmission that was jointly developed between GM and Ford is getting a lot of use in the pickup ranges especially. So very cutting edge powertrain here in the Ranger, and it's a nice mid-size option for those who don't need to necessarily throw full sheets of plywood in the bed, but still want the utility of a pickup, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive here, things of that nature, and a cabin that is useful and set up for actual truck purposes, not necessarily crazy luxury and tech features like going on in the F-150 lineup. So Ranger here should be priced competitively when it hits the market to do battle with those GM and Toyota offerings, and then we'll have to see if the Ram brand decides to get back in on the mid-size truck market. So exciting things happening here at the pickup theme at this year's 2018 North American International Auto Show.